welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? From the title, as you saw, that I am going to rate the celebrities I met. All of them I have not met. Some of them I also have encountered. So I'm going to share all my stories related to that and all. So if you're interested, definitely keep watching. And before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. And if you have not hit the bell icon, do that because you will not get any notifications if you don't hit that bell icon. And I like doing stuff on a regular basis on my channel. I upload twice a week, that is Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So keep an eye to that. I put a lot of hard work on my content. And if you have any suggestions regarding my YouTube channel videos, if you have any kind of suggestions, ideas, let me know. I will definitely make it for you guys. And yeah, watch the whole video. This look, as you can see, so मैंने पूरे video में जब मैंने बात किया, I've created this look, that is the OG Priyanka look, the whole glowy look. But I went with some kind of shimmer on my eyes because I'm gonna reels also after this. So yeah, I have not met all of them. Some of them were encounters, and you will know the story behind them. So the people I have not met, I have not talked, I'm not gonna rate them because obviously why not? Why will I? But I will like literally I will share the whole stories. I watched the whole story, how I encountered them and the reasons behind it, and it is something very fun. You will love it. The video will be a little bit little longer, so you can grab a snack or whatever because that will really help you to continue watching my video and watch till the end to know all the details about my encounters and experience with the celebrities and YouTubers. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start with the makeup. I'm going to talk and I'm going to share with you all the peeps that I met, like celebrities and YouTubers, and I'm going to also share with you the stories, तो मैं कैसे मिली and all that. So because ऐसे बड़बड़ करना मुझे, I'm like makeup करके बात करते हैं क्या हुआ. So we'll start with the first one. So the first one was the YouTuber. So I'll put the photos on the screen and stuff so you can have an idea. So this was, and please don't judge the way I looked back then. This was 2018. I was super duper fat back then. So this was Kiran, Indian Mom on Duty. So she's a very known YouTuber in India, and she does all this home vlogs and stuff, cooking videos, and how she manages her own like life and with kids and all that. So how I met her, 2018 ki baat hai, that was my first year of my graduation. 2018, yes. So I was in Sophia's College in Mumbai. So I used to travel every day from Vasai to Grand Road on the daily basis. So there one day she updated on her page that she is going to come there to meet, that is how she planned everything. So basically meeting celebrities and film stars and stuff, मैं इतनी भी ज़्यादा I'm not that this like fangirling person. Like it's very okay and normal with me if someone is passing if a huge star is passing by me also, no, I will not get any I will not react, to be honest. That is how my personality is. It is nothing in ways like I don't want to be like अरे यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. The thing is I am like that since like childhood, and that you will come to know to the main film stars that I will talk to you about. So yes, so when I met the reason that I met her, because I wanted to travel on my own, and she was here where the meet and greet kade hota. Fuck, I forgot the place where it was. It was like somewhere in the western line. So in the central line. So I had to cross. I will put the name on the screen where it was. I forgot the venue. So I had to, I had to cross my western line to the central, and udhar se mujhe udhar jana tha. वहाँ पे जिसका उधर उसका मीट एंड ग्रीट था, एंड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन आई वांटेड टू गो, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू चैलेंज माई सेल्फ टू ट्रैवल एंड स्टफ, एंड आई एम लाइक ओके ठीक है, उस बहाने आई विल ऑल्सो मीट हर. ट्रैवल, इट वॉज वेरी हार्ड. द वेन्यू वॉज सो फार अवे फ्रॉम द स्टेशन. So, but still I didn't lose my this shit. I was really like 8 time it was like let it be यार, इतना भी मुझे खुद को challenge नहीं करना पड़ा. I really wanted to travel and just challenge myself to travel, because I was this person where I was isolated रहती थी मैं most of the time. I'm like, this is my opportunity to meet her, because otherwise where will I go without any reason and without any purpose. So that's the reason I like I just came together with my all shit, and I'm like okay ठीक है हम करेंगे. And that's how I met Kiran, and she's super duper sweet, yeah. Very open and very very ground to earth, and so nice. The meet and greet was. She also, there is also a vlog, and in that vlog I'm like meeting her and stuff, and I'll put that video in the description. So in that 13-minute ka part mein you can see me. Okay, so I will put that video in the description. That is called the Kiran ka vlog video. Okay, in 13 minutes, and that video has more than almost 97 or 1 lakh views, I guess. But back then I had my YouTube channel, but as I said, I don't like to publish and tell people like subscribe. मतलब मैं वैसे नहीं हूँ, so I didn't do. I know that a lot of people who came there were YouTubers, and they were like telling her to tell her viewers to subscribe and all, but मैंने नहीं किया. That's fine. I don't even regret that. But that is how I met her. So that was my first YouTuber meet, and that was really something that I really really cherish. That is not something that I feel like यार नहीं करना चाहिए. The second one is Debashri, and this was just next day. So मुझे मलाड में जाना था, the Malad big mall, Infinity Mall मलाड का, yes. तो I wanted to go to Miniso. तभी Miniso बहुत recently खुला था, तो I wanted to shop from Miniso. मुझे वो वीडियो भी करना था, that Miniso haul and stuff. Every YouTuber was doing that, and मुझे भी देखना था. It was like very affordable, cheap place and all that. And Malad में I was doing a part-time job, so I definitely knew the route and all. So I went there. It was very close to the place I used to work. So I like took a, and the meet and greet was on Sunday. That was something on exactly 29. So I met Kiran, Indian Mom on Duty, on 20th October 2018, and 29 में देवश्री का meet and greet था. So she had a meet and greet, basically meet and greet नहीं था, she had a collaboration with something Natio in Sephora, which is इधर मलाड के मॉल के ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ही है. So there she was like, okay, I'm going to come there for in regards to collaboration and all. So if anyone wants to hang out with me and just come and say hi, you can come. So I'm like, अरे यार अच्छा है क्योंकि I can go and I can purchase some stuff from Miniso and I can also meet. So as you see, it is something I always give myself a reason to do a particular job. तो मेरे एक तीर में I do a lot of things. That is how I work. Okay, that is how my personality works. That's very normal. For me it's fine if you don't. Okay, so that's the reason I'm like, यार Miniso भी shop कर लेंगे, थोड़ा घूम भी लेंगे, and then I'll also meet her. Okay, my plan was not at all to specifically go and just meet her, otherwise I will never do that for myself really. So basically obviously the travel was not hard because I definitely knew the route of the place, Infinity Mall of Malad. So I went there, I met her, and she is so gorgeous. Debashri, I will again put a photo on the screen, and she was wearing this blue top and a skirt, mini skirt it was, and heels. And her hair was also like straight and stuff, and she was looking so good. Like I think she looks very pretty in real life than in her photos, like not in a bad way, but she is super duper very cute. And she was very down to earth. So I when I went, I was a bit late, so there were people who were there standing and stuff. So I was like hi, and she was like hey hi, like okay, and then she got up, okay, because she was sitting, and then she got up, and so basically she just said that how are you and all that. She started I don't remember obviously the conversations, and I was like okay, I like your videos, and like, thank you so much. So we had a very small conversation talks, but it was very good. Okay, and that's it. Then I had like I told someone to take my picture, so that's the reason I got this picture. I was like अरे यार ठीक है यार मिलने आए तो why not take a picture. So that is how this whole thing happened. Two YouTubers that I met, I also got a lot of opportunity to meet Shreya Jain, Sejal Kumar, even this one Komal Pandey. They had some collaboration stuff in Mumbai, but the reason I didn't go is that I didn't wanted to even the Sejal Kumar, she had this meet and greet during 2018 only, and that was like it was so heavy raining that year, and she also posted that it's fine that you guys अगर तुमको आने को नहीं मिल रहा, it's fine, whoever can come they can come and all that, because it was very far. I don't remember the place, but in that also place I wanted to go, but again it was very very much like super duper like flooded and stuff back then, and in rainy season Mumbai is the worst when it comes to floods and all, so I didn't wanted to take that much of risk to meet her obviously. So yeah, I did get a lot of opportunity to even Shreya Jain and all, but I didn't push myself that much because it was not that important for me, because I always meet people when I feel like I can do other things also at the same time. That is how it is for me. So I will not specifically go only to meet a specific person. That is how it is. Okay. So rating के लिए both of them, like Indian Mom on Duty and Debashri, both I will give 10 on 10. I don't know it's bias or not, but they were super duper sweet to me, and also the personality, the vibe that I was getting from them was so positive and so welcoming. Oh, and it was amazing. I think that is very rare when it comes to kind of known personalities and all. So I feel it is something that okay. Now let's come to celebrities. Someone someone very very important to a lot of people. So this is the first one. This is Johnny Lever. So I met him like literally itne paas se. I'll tell you the whole story. So this was back then in 2008, 2007. I have wrote this in my diary here. So I was in second standard or first standard. I'm not sure about my age. I'm in standard because it was very मैंने calculate किया, but I guess second में रहेगी मैं. So 2007, 4th December. And why I know the date, I will also tell you. So Johnny Lever came here in Vasai. So I stay in Vasai, right? So in our Vasai we have this Manikpur ground, a very big ground. Okay, so basically how we came to know back then, abhi social media, we didn't have any of this newspapers and social media or like internet, like पूरा अच्छे से पता चलेगा. Otherwise they will उधर बहुत crowd भी रहता. There was no crowd that much. So basically my uncle and aunt, like my mama and mommy both, they were in this workspace where their interactions were a lot with a lot of celebrities and stuff. So it was like inside news that Johnny Lever is going to come to Vasai for some specific, I guess, कुछ orphan work के लिए आने वाले थे. And then it was planned that evening time he's going to visit this ground over here. Okay, and he had some shows related to God and stuff. Okay, so my uncle and aunt, they told us in the family and all that. So in a family, हाँ हम भी जाएंगे करके, and it was like on Sunday. Okay, evening time somewhere around 7-8ish in the evening. So when the day came, we all like went there. So I don't have an image of if my brother was there or not, but I have obviously an image of my mom and dad, my mama and mommy and me. Okay, and when we went there, no, we were the first, like एकदम हमको आगे का सीट मिल गया था. I don't know why. When I literally have the glimpses of that time, very very few people in that is such an amazing thing, to be honest. अगर ऐसे कोई डालेगा तो I think पूरा ground ही भर जाएगा, and more than that I guess. So when we were sitting in the very starting seats, and I got so bored. Like imagine this second standard old chick, the person, because Johnny Lever थोड़े late आए थे. Johnny Lever sir, I'm sorry, I'm not calling his name, but he came very late. Okay, so we were waiting for a really long time, because it was a show, right? And we were waiting when he's going to come, and I was so like, you know how these kids do whenever they get bored and all in marriage and stuff. That is how I was doing, very, and I was literally troubling my parents and all. Okay, so they were like, he's coming. Achana, it was announced on the stage, Arey, हाँ, Johnny Lever is arrived, he's coming, and I still have this whole this whole memory of mine where he's coming. So basically the gate, बहुत बड़ा gate है in the starting in the start of the ground. So he came, okay, and bodyguards obviously there, and there were a lot of people behind him. I don't know, just to secure him, a lot of people were there, and he had this black coat and shirt something, and he was coming. Okay, so he was walking like this करके, and all his bodyguards were there with him, and then उधर से directly वो stage पे चले गए. Okay, and then he started with his whatever show was there. Okay, and it was something 1 to 2 hours ka show, and we were there till the end to meet him. Okay, and then after the show, my mommy was like, chal we'll go and meet. And genuinely speaking, now he was on the stage, and whoever wants to go, now सब लोग जा रहे थे stage पे, and it was so normal, like the no bodyguards were like talking and all that. It was very normal, because as I said, that time there was not a lot of public and all. It was very casual, normal. Security was not that harsh and all that. So my mommy is like, chal we'll go and meet, and then my mommy went. And as I said, the event was based on some God stuff. So he was giving some kind of blessings and all to his I don't know, he was praying and all that kind of things. So what happened was, so when my mommy went on the stage, and I was so short and I was very tiny, so I was looking at him like this karke. Okay, then so I was just looking at his face, and literally all the foundation trace, this were like the water thing was dripping. I think unko waterproof makeup nahi kiya kisi ne, but that was the thing. And I'm like, I was just looking at him. So he did, my mommy was like, hi, hello, how are you karke, and then I'm like, I was doing like this, I was waving him, and hello beta, I still remember that, hello beta, and he shaked my hand. That's it. Okay, I think he also I guess, I'm not sure about this, but I guess he also hugged me something, but I remember about the hello beta thing. So that is how I remember the first glimpse of this Johnny Lever. And this also has a fact, and this also has a proof. If you go on YouTube and if you type Johnny Lever in Vasai, he is literally there, and you will see in Manipur ground is there. So I basically wanted to fact check that, because I definitely knew this thing, but I also wanted to see that किसी ने अगर YouTube पे डाला वगैरह रहेगा या कुछ है क्या नहीं. तो मैंने just अभी video start करने से पहले I just watched the thing, and it was like he was literally the video is there. I think someone has, I don't know who recorded that, but it is there on YouTube. Okay, maybe I will also link it in the description so you can watch it. I have not seen the whole video. Maybe I can just spot me going on the stage. I was so tiny. So this was the first celebrity encounter when I was 7 years old. This was 2007. I was 7 years old. Yes. So it was amazing. And to rate again, I will give 10 out of 10. I don't have like that big मतलब एकदम ऐसे deep thoughts में मेरे को नहीं इतना पता. But genuinely speaking, he was very, very, very kind, because he talked with my mommy for a really long time, like I think more than 2 or 3 minutes, and that is a long time for a huge celebrity, right? So it was very, very amazing. The next 3 celebrities are when I was in my college. So if you are in Mumbai college now, you are going to meet like celebrities like on a every year you will at least meet one celebrities for sure, because ना वो अपने promotions के लिए आते हैं, अपने मूवीज के प्रमोशन एंड स्टफ के लिए. सो देर आर दिस इवेंट्स वेयर दे कम एंड दे परफॉर्म फॉर द कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑल, एंड कॉलेज स्टूडेंट भी उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं. सो आई नो दिस थिंग अबाउट a lot of celebrities that they do in Mumbai college. So this was I guess that again this was very after my first year. So first year 2017 की बात है. So that time in K-Scope, so we have this event called K-Scope where we perform a lot of, like, it's a very big event for it is called Kaleidoscope. Basically it's a very big event in Sophia College. So in that, Priyank Sharma, if you I don't know if you know, he was in Roadies, and then I guess he's also in a lot of music videos now. So he was announced to be like a judge for a particular section, and when he like posted on his social media, on his Instagram, that he's going to come on K-Scope to judge and stuff. So everyone were like, "Arey Priyank." As I said in the start, I'm not that fangirl person when it comes to any celebrities. I'm a very chill. मतलब अगर मेरे पास सामने से कोई ऐसा big even like very 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 known person, even if he's going, I will not react. That is how my nature is. Entered the college, so basically came in his car, right? And when he entered, so first of all there was the security group made like for the entrance. So बहुत ज़्यादा girls को ऐसे entrance में रखा था to catch, like you know, to hold, मतलब to cover him so that कोई jump ना करे उसके ऊपर, because girls are, you know, right, girls are very this when it comes to meeting a guy or whatever, celebrity guy, so they shout and whatever. So I was like in a very very end, because I was in the garden area. So when he came in his car, he obviously got down. To security personally, I don't remember कि security थे कि नहीं, because girls were literally the security group के girls जो थे ना, वो उसके security बन गए थे. Okay, so I was in the other department, security के. Okay, so here the girls were like holding hands to secure him in the middle. So he was in the middle and the girls were around him. Okay, and the other girls जो दूसरे वाले girls they were yelling and all that. So that is how, like, बहुत far से मैंने उनको देखा. Okay, so he was wearing a t-shirt and a jeans. Okay, and then that's how again he went in the auditorium and all that. So that much of the glimpses I have. So I didn't personally go and meet him, because obviously it was not at all allowed and all. After that बहुत time तक अगर आप रुकोगे and all that, if you wait till the end, so it, like, अगर आपको मिलेगा that, वो भी guarantee नहीं था. And as I said, I don't have that much of this of, you know, meeting a celebrity. So I like fuck, so I just left. Okay, so that much of the idea that I have. So Francis was smiling, he was very bubbly, cheerful. That much, उतना तो मेरा first impression था उनके ऊपर, that the how much I saw, it was like not at all that much distance. I would clearly see, I was able to see clearly उसका face and all. So that was my another celebrity encounter. So I will not say literally meet, but this was encounter. So it was nice, it was amazing, and then I left. I literally left. Okay, the next one is Varun Dhawan. Now listen, again, this was encounter. And again, I'm gonna the reason, because it was encounter, because I didn't want it to, because the reason it always made it an encounter, because what happens is we are more than our Sophia College is a very huge college, right? It is like, it is arts and science, and plus HM का भी दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट है. तो it is like something like, अगर सेलिब्रिटी आने वाला है ना, पूरा कॉलेज का जो ये है ना, मतलब जो हमारा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं कैंपस, इट लिटरली फिल विद एवरीवन. एंड इट इज लाइक, इट इज योर लक इफ यू कैन मीट. मोस्टली क्या होते हैं, जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स रहते हैं, या इफ विद द हेड ऑफ सम काइंड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट, दैट पीपल कैन आराम से मीट. But when it comes to this normal chicks, we can't. Okay, we have to like struggle, meet, yell, and I am not one of those to do any of that, obviously, because I don't have any, I have zero interest in that regards. So I didn't even put any efforts here. So Varun Dhawan came in 2018 for his promotion of the movie October. So he and his co-artist, I don't remember, I don't know her name and stuff. I think she's not that known. So he and her, both of them, they came. Okay, so I didn't saw him in the start. So basically I saw him in the auditorium. So he was having this event, and मेरे batch के ना the girl, I don't even remember her name. So she had this kind of dance thing on the stage, and she went and she performed with him, and also even he performed with her. So auditorium, when I went in the auditorium it was allowed, anyone can come and stuff. Again बहुत limited people ही थे, because the event was literally stretched to a lot, like बहुत time तक stretch किया था, like afternoon and stuff. और in our college now a lot of people come from very far away, so they left, literally a lot of people left. But जो इन हाउस वाले मेंबर्स रहते हैं, जो you know इन हाउस मतलब who stay in like this क्या बोलते हैं हॉस्टल, who stay in hostel and stuff, वो आराम से मिल सकते थे and all that. But what happened was, literally because of that reason I'm like, okay, I'll just look at him and I'll go. in that way. So I was just standing in the entrance के gate में, and one of my friends, she was in the security department. I'm like, let me wait here for a while. Actually like फटाफट देख के निकल, फटाफट देख के, because बहुत गर्दी था. You didn't even have मतलब seat, and people were like Varun Dhawan and all, you know, they are very, उस time पे Varun Dhawan, Siddharth and all these people were very very like girl के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important थे, right? So I'm like okay ठीक है, चलो I will just look at him and I'll go. And then far away से मैंने सिर्फ वो उतना short clip देखा था like dancing वाला, where हम लोग के class की एक लड़की was dancing with her and all that, and he was like talking and stuff, and everyone were yelling like in the auditorium. That is something that I really cringe. I hate when people yell at celebrities and all. Oh my god. So I was like okay ठीक है बस हो गया, and I left. So he was the appearance the first encounter में what it was like, he was very interactive with most of the people. There was also a part where he was talking about his movie. He was giving all this advices for these girls and stuff, and even my friend, they took a lot of videos and they posted on a group and stuff. So in that much, in utna way mein, how much I came to know is that he is very interactive and all that. Again, in depth I can't say because utna time maine spend nahi kiya, I didn't even meet him and all, but that was the encounter. So it was literally like I was in the start of the gate, and he was literally in the stage auditorium mein, okay, and that is how I saw him. That is that much. So I completed a lot of my look because I didn't wanted to, like, I just get really distracted by doing my makeup and also talking to you. The last one is Kareena Kapoor Khan. Like, oh my god, like, I mean, now this is you have to hear me, okay? Again, this was not a meet, it was an encounter. So she obviously, she was in our college for fashion show, Lakme fashion show, and it was on Sunday, okay? So I'll tell you. So basically, that was the time when I was leaving my college, so I was taking a drop, okay? It was other different reasons. We'll talk about that in future. So what happened was, on Saturday, I had to submit some kind of documents and stuff in the office and all, and मुझे ना कुछ ये लेने थे, what you say, Xerox and all that. So in hostel ना मेरे बहुत अच्छे friends भी बन गए थे, and one of my friends, she was from Assam, okay, and she became very close to me because again I have some relations when it comes to Assam. I know little bit of Assamese also, so हमारी थोड़ी ज़्यादा bond हो गई थी. So what happened was I told her, अरे यार I'm giving you my this अपना आधार कार्ड, मेरे को प्लीज जेरोक्स लेके आ, मतलब बिकॉज मतलब मैं लाइन पे खड़ी रहती. सो वाज द सैटरडे का थिंग, ओके. सो मैं लाइन पे खड़ी रहती हूँ, तब तक तू मेरा को जेरोक्स लेके आ, सो दैट यू नो साइमल्टेनियसली बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स कैन गेट डन. एंड शी ओके फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम, गिव मी. तो आई गेव हर माय दिस एंड शी गेव मी माय व्हेन शी केम ना, शी गेव मी माय दिस copies, and I'm like okay wait I'm submitting, okay. And she's like okay fine. And what happened was in talk and all now, I forgot to take my original from her, that my original Aadhaar card, okay. So when I came home on Saturday evening, I'm like, I was really searching because I wanted to submit a lot of documents on Sunday to a different place, okay, not in the college, from different place. So मुझे college से documents थोड़े फार मेरे college के लेने थे और दूसरी जगह पे मुझे submit करने थे on Sunday, okay. And when I came home in the night, I'm like, fuck, I forgot my original year in the college and all. So I called her and I asked her that what to do now because मुझे submit करना and all that. So she told that don't panic and all, because what happens is like you can go because hostel में only they live ना. So we outsider cannot go inside the hostel or not, but we can, like, बाहर से we can take our stuff and whatever. So she's like, you come, I will give you outside only, okay. So I'm like, okay fine. So I got a relief. So on Sunday, this was like 2007, I wrote 2019 Lakme Fashion Week. So if you Google, you can see that she had come to our college for this fashion show. So she was practicing on Sunday morning ke time when I went. So what happened was I was not allowed to go inside the college because obviously it was Sunday, so it was not allowed outsiders ke liye. I had my ID card, but obviously there were the security people in the gate area, but all of them were like known, okay. So what happened was when I went there, I'm like, auntie, because no auntie bhi thi aur ek uncle, both of their people were very known because I was there for literally 2 years, right. So I told them this is the reason I'm just going inside to take my Aadhaar card and I will come back. So she's like okay wait, let her come outside, मतलब जो मेरी friend थी उसको आने दे. So my friend, I don't know why she was taking so much like इतना late क्यों कर रही थी, but I'm like I requested that auntie, the security auntie, that let me go, I will take my document, I will come. So the entrance from where I went, it's a shortcut, okay, so you can fatak se come and go. And niche we have a canteen area also. So I'm like okay listen, you can look at me, so I'm like why are you not letting me go, because I was not knowing that Kareena Kapoor Khan was there. But she's like okay the one celebrity has come and मतलब अभी हम किसी को अलाउ नहीं कर सकते ऐसे अंदर जाए. मेरा यार आई एम कॉलेज स्टूडेंट ओनली, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक माई डॉक्यूमेंट्स, सो एंड इट इज वेरी नीडेड. सो शी इज लाइक ओके फाइन कम फटाक से, डोंट वेट एंड ऑल दैट, बिकॉज शी वॉज वेरी नोन. अदरवाइज आई नो द रीजन दैट शी विल नॉट सेंड, बिकॉज फिर उनके ऊपर आ जाता है वो, राइट. सो व्हेन आई वेंट इनसाइड ना, सो इट लाइक लिटरली द क्या बोलते द रैम्प वॉज लिटरली बिल्डिंग अप एंड शी वॉज देयर प्रैक्टिसिंग, Okay, so I was very much in the ground and जो पूरा, if you know Sophia, if you Google and see the Sophia College का जो एकदम circumference है ना starting का, it is like little above and पूरा ऐसे गोल है. Okay, so there the whole stadium, like the ramp walk was kind of making like in the progress and all. So I called my friend, "Yaar, come and give my stuff because I want to go." So she's like, "Okay, wait, I'm coming." So hostel was like ऊपर है ना, so she was coming down. And then I'm like, okay, I was looking around, what's happening, because my friend, auntie वो मेरे friend बोल रही, मेरी दो auntie थी ना security वाली, she told me celebrities there and they are practicing and stuff, so we can't allow. So I didn't knew which celebrity. She just told me some celebrity is there. And when I saw she was practicing Kareena Kapoor वाला, she was wearing this white t-shirt, crop top kind of, and एक ऐसा black, I don't know, joggers थे या jeans था, but she was, and she had a very simple pony, pony से फिर वो bun भी बांधी उसने, and literally no makeup, and she was looking so good, and she was practicing. So my friend came, she gave me my Aadhaar card, and I'm like, यार you didn't told me Kareena Kapoor Khan was coming. So she's like, अरे because of that only it became late, because हम पूरे वहाँ पे photos और videos कुछ ले रहे थे and all that. So she literally showed me some of her photos and videos, like when she came she also met a lot of people over there. I'm like, okay, चल ठीक है, and I left. Okay, so that was just the encounter that I saw her from literally like वो थोड़ी ऊपर थी और मैं नीचे थी, मतलब first और ground floor का उतना difference रहेगा. So I just looked at her, and as she was literally practicing, a lot of people were there like down, and obviously no one asked me anything because it was like someone like college student ही है, and because in house में भी hostel के a lot of people are standing around. Okay, and no, what happens, you know, when the celebrities, I will tell you one of the thing, when celebrities comes to this college events, a college event is different when they come to like do kind of shoot and all ना. So first of all they will come on a holidays, or they will do it on weekends and stuff. और अगर specifically अगर उनको ऐसे डेट भी नहीं मिलते ना, सो लिटरली कॉलेज विल गिव हॉलीडे, और दे विल नॉट अलाउ सम काइंड ऑफ पीपल टू कम. सो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वाला, अगर टीवाई के स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे या सम काइंड ऑफ फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, ओनली उनको ही कॉलेज में आना चाहिए, अलाउ करेंगे, अदरवाइज अदर पीपल आर नॉट अलाउड. that is how much strict it comes to people, because you know what happens, you can't control normal people to meet celebrities. They are going to jump on them and stuff. So they you know, that much only the whole event was. So yeah, that's it. Like this were the how many, like 4 celebrities and 2 YouTubers that I met. I mean encounter 4 of them, and like literally 3 को मैंने meet किया. So I hope that you liked my today's video. If you have any suggestions, any ideas, let me know in the comments, and I will put some of the video. As I said, मैं Indian Mom on Duty का वाला vlog I will put in the description, and the Johnny Lever का video also I will put in the description. Okay, so again I hope that you liked my video. Give me a thumbs up if you want more such videos from me and fun kind of content. Give me ideas and stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.